Hey everyone, Dr. Nanasy here, and for this tutorial we're going to talk about something called the Brock string. This is one of our pieces of training equipment that's really valuable to sports where we need to keep not just one eye on the ball, but two eyes on the ball. The reason that's important for you is it helps you to get better depth perception, also to judge how quickly something's coming to you, give you a little bit quicker reaction time as well. So this is a rope that has 3 different beads on it. Your particular Brock string that you have might be 10 feet, it might be 20 feet. It will have 3 beads. They may be different colors than these. They may be different sizes than these based on what we want for you. But you're going to use it the same way. You're going to attach one end to the wall, to the cage. You're going to have it maybe in your batting cage, or you can have one of your friends hold the other end and you can do the drill together. The other end of the rope you're going to hold right at your nose. It's really important that you don't cover any of your vision, your line of sight, with your hand. So make sure to keep the string right under your nose with your hand below. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at one of these beads at a time, and then you're going to take note of what the other beads are doing in the background. So if you have your Brock string, and you can pause the video and set it up, I want you to actually see what it looks like with one eye versus with both eyes. So if you hold it up to your nose and you close one eye, you see one rope with 3 balls, 3 beads. If you close the other eye, you see the rope coming from the other direction with 3 beads. And then if you open both eyes and look at the center bead, if both of your eyes are working together as a team, you're going to see one center bead, and you're going to note that you have 2 beads in the foreground and 2 beads in the background. I also want you to take note that the rope now looks like there are 2 ropes that cross at an X right in the center bead. That's the skill that you need to be able to achieve first. That's the easiest thing to do. The next thing you need to be able to do, look at the bead closest to you and note that if you're looking at this bead, you should see 2 of the second and 2 of the third beads in the background. And same thing, your ropes are going to come into the bead and then towards your nose. And finally, look at the last bead. Same thing, 1 bead, 2 of the other, 2 of the other with the rope, okay? Once you get this in primary gaze, which is what we call it when you're looking straight ahead, we're going to flex and try it in other gazes. So it's great to be able to see what's coming straight ahead of you. If you're standing at the plate and you're batting, I want you to be able to stand in batting stance and still have both eyes working together as a team. So the first exercise you're going to do is you're going to practice going from one side to the other, because again, it's not just in batting stance. If you're in the outfield, if you're on any base, I want you to be able to always have those eyes working together as a team and flex that system and make sure that you can keep both of your eyes on the ball.